Hi guys, my name is Ash and I'm from Dubai, and I've set up Frag Emarat, my YouTube channel, to educate all my viewers who come to my channel about the various perfume houses that are born in this part of the world and also in many other parts in the Middle East. Usually when I go online to look for unique fragrances that are not your typical perfumes that you can find in the West, I usually get a lot of recommendations primarily from fellow YouTubers who usually recommend the same kind of perfumes that everybody's been using. And I am not a professional in this category or in this industry, but just an enthusiast and a collector, a hobbyist, as you can say. And I thought that Dubai is known as the perfume capital of the world, and there are several perfume houses in this country, that I thought that if I can start doing reviews on the various perfumes that are born in this country, manufactured here and marketed all over the world, I think you would greatly benefit from this information. And maybe if you are looking for something fresh, different, unique that not everybody has, and you don't smell just like an average similar fragrance that everybody uses, and you want to stand out, I thought it would be a great way for you guys to see what this great country has to offer. And this is an introductory video to my channel, and before I begin or start reviewing products, I would like to tell you what's the meaning of Frag. Of course, means fragrance, and Emarat means the Emirates, which are the 7 Emirates that form the UAE, which is the United Arab Emirates, Dubai being one of the cities in the 7 Emirates. So Frag Emarat means fragrance from Emarat, which is fragrance from Emirates. My channel will not only be about fragrances that are from the Middle East. From time to time I will also review products that are manufactured in Dubai, but they are inspired by fragrances from the West. So there could be, I wouldn't call them clones, I would call them perfumes inspired by so and so. So there are many perfume houses in UAE, in Dubai, that make really good perfumes that are inspired by Western brands, and you will see that in the course of my journey with you. If this channel is of interest to you, and if this subject or topic is of interest to you, and you're looking for something different in the fragrance community, please do subscribe to my channel and keep coming back to see special content that I'll be creating for my audience. Thank you.